Did you know that right now, in America, giant insurance companies are using AI systems to automatically reject claims from seniors, often without any human ever looking at the case? It's a shocking reality. And what's even more alarming is that an estimated 80% of seniors have no idea this is happening to them. This isn't science fiction. It's a silent battle being waged against our most vulnerable. And today, we're exposing it all. So how did we get here? How did a machine take control of something so critical to our lives? It started quietly. Insurance companies, always looking to cut costs and increase profits, began investing heavily in artificial intelligence. They built complex algorithms designed to process claims faster than any human could. On the surface, it sounds efficient, but the reality is much darker. These systems are programmed with one primary goal: find reasons to deny a claim. Let me share a story. Meet Margaret, an 82-year-old from Florida. After a hurricane damaged her roof, she filed a claim with her homeowner's insurance, a company she'd been with for over 40 years. Within hours, she received a denial. No explanation, no phone call, just a cold, automated email. Confused and distressed, her family started digging. They discovered her claim was never seen by a person. An AI analyzed satellite data from before and after the storm and concluded the damage was pre-existing wear and tear, a decision it made in less than a second. Margaret's story isn't unique. Thousands of seniors are facing these heartless, automated rejections every single day. The data is staggering. Reports show that since the widespread adoption of these AI systems, initial claim denial rates for seniors have jumped by over 35%. It's a deliberate strategy, hidden behind a wall of technology. The methods these companies are using are straight out of a dystopian novel. Let's break down 3 of the most shocking ways AI is being weaponized against seniors. First, drone inspections. After you file a claim for damage to your home, the insurance company might not send a human adjuster. Instead, they'll dispatch an autonomous drone. This drone will fly over your property, capturing thousands of high-resolution images. The AI then scans these images, not just for the damage you reported, but for anything it can use against you. A few loose shingles it spotted months ago. Your claim is denied for poor maintenance. A tree branch hanging a little too close to your roof. Your fault for not trimming it. They're building a case against you from the sky. Second, satellite imagery analysis for auto accidents. Let's say you're in a car accident that wasn't your fault. You file a claim, the insurer's AI immediately pulls satellite and traffic camera data from the moment of the crash. It analyzes vehicle speeds, road conditions, and even weather patterns. It might decide based on its algorithm that you were traveling 1 mile per hour over the speed limit just before the impact, and on that basis assign partial fault to you, drastically reducing your payout or denying it altogether. A human might understand the nuances of defensive driving, but the AI only sees data points, and it uses them to find fault. And the third most direct method, fully automated denials. This is the core of the problem. Many of these AI systems are specifically programmed with a high denial threshold. They are designed to automatically reject claims that fit certain criteria, often biased against older homes or vehicles, which seniors are more likely to own. The system flags the claim, generates a denial letter with boilerplate legal language, and sends it off. The entire process happens with zero human oversight. The goal is to make the process so frustrating and difficult that you simply give up. But you don't have to give up. You can fight back, and you can win. If you've received a denial that you suspect was AI-driven, here is a step-by-step guide to contesting it. First, immediately request a detailed written explanation for the denial. An automated email is not enough. Demand a full report. Second, and this is crucial, you must formally request a human review of your claim. When you call or write to them, use these specific words. I am formally appealing this decision, and I demand a manual review of my entire claim file by a senior human claims adjuster. Using phrases like formally appeal and manual review triggers specific internal protocols in many companies. Another powerful phrase is, please provide all data and algorithmic parameters used to reach this decision. They likely won't provide the secret algorithm, but the request itself shows you are serious and legally aware, often prompting them to escalate your case to a human just to avoid complications. Document every single interaction, date, time, who you spoke to, and what was said. This paper trail is your most powerful weapon. If they still refuse, your next step is to file a complaint with your state's Department of Insurance. This gets the attention of regulators and often forces the company to finally take your claims seriously. Now, let's name names. As of 2026, which is just around the corner, intelligence reports indicate that the biggest adopters of these aggressive AI claim systems are companies like OmniProtect, FutureGuard, Insurance, and Digital Assurance. These giants have poured billions into their automated systems, and their denial rates reflect that. On our list, we also have Titan Group and Vertex Insure rounding out the top 5 most AI-reliant companies. But there is good news. Some companies still value the human touch. They believe that making a fair decision requires human empathy and understanding. Companies that continue to prioritize human review for senior claims include Heritage Mutual, Community First, Insurance, and True North Indemnity. These companies often advertise their commitment to personalized service. Also on our list of companies that still use people are Pioneer Family Assurance and Anchor and Trust. When you're shopping for insurance, ask them directly, what is your policy on using AI for claim denials? Will a human being be reviewing my case? Their answer will tell you everything you need to know. So, what can you do right now to protect yourself? First, review your current insurance policies. If you're with one of the AI-heavy companies we mentioned, consider shopping around. Second, when you get your policy, ask your agent to put in writing that your claims will be subject to human review. Some may actually agree. Third, create a home health or vehicle health record. Take pictures of your property and car every 6 months to document their condition. This creates a baseline that can refute an AI's claim of pre-existing damage. This information is vital for you, your parents, and your grandparents. The fight against these faceless corporate systems is just beginning, and knowledge is your best shield. Please share this video with every senior you know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next report, where we uncover the secret ways to lower your premiums that insurers don't want you to know. Stay safe and stay informed.